Hey guys, thanks for the good WebEx session this morning. I've just been doing some thinking about that, and what you're looking at here, hopefully you can see, uh, this is a block definition diagram of the library file. It's a used project called Launch Enterprise Structures Library, and this library contains um, the blocks that I've identified as actually being linked to the physical system. So at the top of the taxonomy is the launch vehicle itself, and you can see that it has composite relationships. So everything underneath this comprises the launch vehicle, to include the payload fairing, the avionics, the launch vehicle, emitters, receivers, and then everything under the payload fairing is composite under that. The only things that are different, the payload envelope um, has a generalization relationship to, there's three different types, category A, B, and C. Um, and here is the containment tree over on the left-hand side. There's payload structures. There's a small BDD for payload structures. I only have the payload itself comprised into exterior surfaces and the payload separation system. And then there's also ground support structures, and I don't have a BDD for that. But where I was going with this is, based on our discussion this morning, I was thinking that these blocks, even though all these values and parts and properties are showing, there's nothing in here. And maybe we could turn this into a useful library if we had some value properties um, associated with this that could be used multiple times in the model. Say, possibly the analysis blocks, since there's a generalization relationship with each of these, could inherit those. Um, so let me know what you think about this. It's possible we could build a taxonomy or a resources structure diagram in UAF that does the same thing, where it's a hierarchy of capability configurations, each of which has measurements that then could be reused in the model. So let me know what you think.